National League in over 3 decades has come a long way since its foundation in April 1994. It was founded by Ebrahim Suleiman Seth as a breakaway faction of the Indian Union Muslim League due to a difference of opinions post-Babri Masjid demolition. It is currently a member of the CPIM-led Left Democratic Front in Kerala, in which INL got a ministerial berth for the first time in 2021. Recently, TransformationalLeadership, the daughter of the founder, was appointed as National President of the National Women's League. Let us talk to her today to know more about the party, her vision, and her plans ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing this firstly. So, now that you've been appointed as the National President of the National Women's League, what are your first plans? What is going to be your step of actions?
Because I want to grow Women's League, because ladies, I feel they got their own strength, and so we have to empower ladies so they can do many things. So in Kerala also I want them to grow, as well as I want them to grow in Bangalore. It's also because now I just got nominated as president of National League, National Women's League this December, the last December 26th. So I would like to continue with my work, and my intention will be focused on the growth of Indian National League. And yes, as it is, Indian National League should grow, and it should reach. My father, in his throughout his life, he was working very hard for the growth of Indian Union Muslim League, and he was just without any rest. He was running out about throughout India without any rest, with no food in time, nothing. Just it was it was in his brain that it's my baby, I should grow the my baby. He got all his sweat is there in IUML. So he grew it, and unfortunately when Babri Masjid was demolished, it so happened that they refused to leave their chairs, their seats, and they left my father instead. And he had to, and the pain which he had gone through was tremendous. We cannot just explain the pain he had gone through, because the party has grown so much. He spent throughout his life. From the time I have seen, I was in my senses, I was a child, I have seen him working for that.
So can you walk us through your political journey? Like, how did you started? How you said us about the foundation of the party, and then how did you begin? How did you step into politics?
Which party? Indian National League?
Yeah, Indian National
League. Because once then my father passed away. When it was Indian National League had completed its 10 years, my father passed away, and then I thought, let me continue with it. So my brother also joined. Both the brothers joined the party. So I thought it was such a party. It was just the foundation of the party. You can really sincerely say that the foundation is my father's tears. He had cried so much, yet he has broken up so much, because that when they left him, it was a shock to him. He couldn't take it, and it was the pain. We also feel that, so we thought it's our duty to continue that, which was formed with principle, just principle. I know the party was formed not with money. Today, to form a party, we need tons of money, but backing of sincere people who supported him, who stood by him with principles, who has seen him growing. Who know his principle, who know his honesty, they just stood by him, and the party was born. That's it. That's how it was born. So it was everyone's duty. Every person who has holding the principle, who has seen a father's struggle, who wants seen him what is the basic of this party, like in what the principles he is holding, and what it is, how it is formed. Everyone, every citizen should, I'm saying every citizen means not Muslims, just Muslims. Just everyone should join this party and see that it's the only party, I can say for sure, only party which upholds principles and is alive for past 30 years. Otherwise today, without money, party will not survive for 6 months. It's a miracle that is there for past 30 years. And now I wish that it will be there for 300 years also, like that. I'm seeing it growing, and seeing it growing in Kerala, seeing it growing in UP, seeing it growing in Delhi, and it's growing, it will grow. So I want to be a part of the growth.
So, what are your next action plans of the party for the upcoming elections or in general?
Yeah, because once now we are going to have national convention in Bangalore, then as it grows, naturally we want our candidates. We want to candidates for to fight, to go to parliament also, to go to the assembly also. We have to grow. The growth should be there. So once you have to go this long way to go. We have to grow, and hopefully we will be having, I'm focusing on having candidates in assembly also, in parliament also.
So is that your first goals of this now upcoming year, that the parliamentary elections that are going to happen, you will try to put your candidates Hopefully we want candidates for parliament also, because today the only secular party we can see in India, only secular party we can see in India is IndianNationalLeague, and I can see very much that Left Front. It's the only party who is secular, who doesn't have any bias. So the only secular party now we can see. So we can hope secular-minded people can come forward and join us. We are not saying any thought, we have no bias. Let it be any Dalits or backwards or whoever it is, they should be, we want people, strong people who have this kind of mentality, that we want a secular India to be there, secular always. Also, we spoke about Babri Masjid. And in Karnataka, lately, because of the recent arrest of Shrikant Pujari, he's a Hindu Karsevak. His arrest has led a political state over here in Karnataka, and they had a statewide protest. They said that they want the release of Shrikant Pujari. So, what do you have to say about the whole Ram Mandir thing, and specifically about the BJP's demand, as well as the Congress stand? Because the government has, for now, they have said that it's just a police routine case, and this is a 31-year-old case that has been taken up just ahead of the inauguration of Ram Temple. Yeah. So what do you have to say about the whole political issue regarding the Ram Temple?
Actually, those always a game. Just before the parliamentary election, they want to focus. They want to come in the limelight. They want some topic. BJP, right? Always it happens. We have seen it happening. Before every election, there'll be they create a scenario such as, they're in the limelight. Now that Ram Mandir is coming up, it's only funded by the central government. Actually, it should not be like that. And now they're focusing on the inauguration. Now something and all, they catch up and show the people that we are doing such great work. They want all political gimmick, don't you think? It's a political gimmick, what's happening.
Also, talking more about secularism, right now we see that there is a very pro-Hindutva stand that almost all parties try to take. Like, even though Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, recently he said that I am a Hindu as well. And in Congress, lately we have seen that they are taking a soft Hindutva approach. BJP is very openly pro-Hindu political party. What do you have to say about these changes in the political space?
Yeah, because BJP, obviously, they take the stand and they're strong about it. But Congress is taking very soft approach towards this, because he wants to be in the good books. Either you are secular or you are not secular. Either we are this side or that side. You cannot be in the between. This either white or black. There's no gray matter in this. So either that clearly shows they are not secular. It happened during the time of Congress, it was demolished. Everything happened at that time, Narasimha Raw's time. So that clearly shows the soft approach towards all these matters. The only person who was against was Sitaram Yechury. He just declined the offer, inauguration offer. He was invited. So that clearly shows the stand, they're secular. So the only party who can be really, we can't be called secular, national level, is only LDF, CPM, CPI, all this party, left front is the only one we can call it secular.
And where do you now see the India bloc going on? Because all this is happening, it's very clear that it has a huge role to do with the elections as well. So where do you see the India bloc going towards this now?
Actually, all this makes lots of confusion in the youth's mind. Youths are saying, they're actually not really deciding which side they should go. As a child, you must be young. So they just here this BJP has its own agenda and they're working, they're showing the people, we are for you. And they're showing everyone, when election comes closer, they're showing every Indian, we are for you. We are for the ladies, we are for so many, so that people are getting confused. Now the people has to, mainly think what's happening now, what should be happening now is the political awareness should happen for everyone. For everyone, they should, what they have done before, what they are doing, what they are hiding, what is the agenda, everything we should be knowing, because we are not aware of it. Nobody is aware of it. The picture they're showing, we're just seeing that picture. Last, what happened? Something happened, some big event happened in Delhi. I'm not remembering it. They just covered that that part of where the old
G20 G20 summit.
G20,
yeah.
How they covered that. The area where the old people were, yes. The poor people were living, all the mud houses, everything, all the poor people that...
they had put the tin lines and everything.
They just covered with a big screen, completely they covered. That means they don't want to show, but it is there. The truth is, that is there. It's been hidden. So many things are there. So it's been hidden from the masses. So we have to realize what is been hidden, what we are left to see. That's what we have to see now.
Does INL plan to, show this to the people? Like, if by chance, if you're placing the candidates, will the campaign also run around this, showing the truth to the people?
Naturally, we have to come up. Naturally, we have to come up with the facts. If that's what's really happening, the people should be knowing. How long can they sleep in all this? They should be aware of all this.
Also, ma'am, what do you have to say about RSS leader Prabhakar Bhatt's recent comment? At an event, he said that, Muslim women got permanent husbands because after Modi government came to power, they banned triple talaq. And this has led to huge protest over here, at least in Karnataka and Bangalore very specifically. We've seen a lot of outrage from people across the communities and from all spectrums. What do you have to say about it?
Yes, it's very wrong step because, nothing is permanent here. It's something, that there's no 100% assurity that the marriage is going to work. Either they'll have, the wife wants to come out from the marriage or the husband. They should have the freedom to do that. How can this give them permanent? The permanency is nothing. So it's a very wrong thing what you are saying.
Also, any last plans of action or any message that you would tell our viewers?
Yes, to tell my viewers, I'm telling you, please join us in big groups because, we assure this is the only secular party in state-wise, this is the only today. National-wise, it's left front. You can always join them. You can always join us. Let us make a big group. Let us see that we win and we get seats in parliament as well as in assembly. And please youth, I want you to come forward and join us and make us successful. Thank you.
See, my intention is not to join any political party or something. I wanted a person who's strong enough to be independent, and I wanted to work independently. But now, when I started working independently, I felt it's a bit difficult, and I need somebody who can really be like me, who was always independent and could take a right decision. So I felt this party is more suitable for my way of working, And not only that, when I went to Kerala, lots of people started introducing me, telling more about this INL. And now when a women's, or there is a special league only for the women's, and I thought I will definitely join them, and that's why I came to meet her. And today I took a decision that anyhow very shortly I'll be joining them. Sitting inside the kitchen is all, that's all. See, you have to do your work. Women have got their own duty also. At the same time, they have the right for whatever right. They don't know what they can do, what they should do. They have been stopped from the house. That is not from others, from their own house it has been stopped. So let us, our thing is like, let us make them stronger, tell them what is their right, what they can do. This is our agenda. I never bow down to anybody. I do what I need. What I feel right, I keep going. So I don't listen to any controversial. See, as they keep pulling me down, I'm getting stronger and stronger day by day.